Hello everyone and welcome to Best Twitch Streamers, and today I'll be showing you guys on how you can make your Discord server more secure without having to do all the verification without having to add all the verification bots and having to do all that. This technique will allow you to have verified users on your Discord, meaning you can't just add people or people that make fake accounts won't be able to join. So I'll be showing you guys how to do that. You want to press on your name and then go to server setting. Once inside server setting, you're going to head over to safety setup. From safety setup, right now, as you can see, I've got no restrictions. You can put in the highest, must have a verified phone on their Discord account. Once you press on this, people without a phone will not be able to use Discord will not be able to use your server. That's about it. And then you can scan media and all of that, and you can also enable two-factor authentication and all of that. But yeah, honestly, this is the best way to have real authentic people, because not everyone is gonna put a phone with their fake Discord. With that being said, I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please drop a like, and if you want to see more videos like this in the future, don't forget to hit that subscribe button as well as that notification bell. Thank you so much for watching. Bye bye.